Mandrake, it looks to me like we're in a shooting war.
Are the Russians involved?
I can't tell you that, but yes, the Russians are involved.
We do not strike first.
We retaliate before they even think of talliating.
We need to stand it down because there hasn't been a sneak attack, has there?
The very nature of a sneak attack is that it is sneaky.
Oh, bollocks.
The Soviets have a machine that will destroy the world if we do not offer retribution.
The Doomsday Machine!
It will destroy everything big time. We don't want to start a nuclear war unless we absolutely have to, do it?
I'm starting to panic here, but I'm dealing with it.
Let's go crash some communists!
How the hell did we find ourselves in such an egregious position?
I know.
Hello, Dmitri. When I tell you about it, you're gonna be very angry.
Oh, Jesse! Fuck!
Gentlemen, you can't fight in here. This is the war room.